Is Apple going to make a huge mistake with its first foldable phone? Because leaks say iPhone Fold could cost 20% more than Samsung Fold 8, and Samsung is bringing 3 new foldables in 2026, one of which is said to be the cheapest fold. So now the question is, who is really going to take over the foldable market? Apple or Samsung? Let's find out. Apple looks ready to shake up the foldable world at last. Their first folding iPhone, expected to be called the iPhone Fold, is rumored to arrive next year. But the timing feels a little late, especially with Samsung preparing to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in 2026. The pressure on Apple is huge. This is a first-generation device stepping into an arena Samsung has dominated for years. Every tiny detail will be judged, and there's already one major concern rising. The iPhone Fold might be up to 20% pricier than the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Early reports suggest Apple could set the price around $2,399 based on supply chain expectations and Apple's usual hardware profit margin. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 currently starts at $1,999, and there's no strong hint that Samsung plans to raise the price in 2026. If these numbers play out, the Apple Foldable could land noticeably higher on the price ladder. Now here's the big question. Will people pay that much more for a brand new first-gen foldable when Samsung already offers a polished, proven experience? Hardcore Apple fans will definitely line up, but convincing everyone else might be the real challenge. Switching from Android, especially from Samsung's ecosystem, won't be easy. Many users who like the idea of a foldable might still find the Galaxy Z Fold 8 the safer and more affordable pick. On the Samsung side, leaks are pointing toward a slightly larger inner display with a refined aspect ratio, peak brightness reaching 2,600 nit, and a bigger battery close to 5,000 mAh. It's also expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. In short, it's built to handle anything without hesitation. Camera upgrades may be subtle but meaningful, and the software experience is rumored to finally push smarter multitasking and artificial intelligence tools that make the foldable feel more like a compact tablet and less like a stretched phone. Samsung's foldable lineup is about to get exciting in 2026. Rumors suggest we could see 3 new folding phones next year, excluding the unreleased Trifold. A recent leak dropped the alleged model numbers of all 3, but one of them immediately stands out. It doesn't follow Samsung's usual naming pattern, sparking speculation, could this be the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Fan Edition? A more affordable twist on the premium book-style Fold? Things get really interesting. The leak points to models SMF776, SMF976, and SMF971. The first 2 match perfectly with what we expect for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Fold 8, but SMF971 doesn't quite fit. If Samsung were making a Flip 8 Fan Edition, it should have been SMF771, following the pattern. Instead, SMF971 aligns closer to the Fold series, hinting at a Fold 8 Fan Edition rather than a Flip. While it's possible Samsung could be planning a highly advanced Flip 8 FE, the simpler and more exciting explanation is a new addition to the family. Samsung seems ready to make the larger display experience more accessible. The company's foldable strategy has quietly shifted. The Flip series, once a mass-market star, has lost momentum. The Fold series is now outpacing it in sales across multiple regions. Even the Flip 7 Fan Edition flopped and has been pulled from some markets. A more affordable Fold makes sense. Fold buyers are loyal, the form factor is a canvas for Samsung's innovation, and there's never been a Fold Fan Edition before, leaving a clear opportunity to capture a new segment. If Samsung goes this route, it could open the door for more fans to experience the flagship Fold without paying ultra-premium prices. Nothing is confirmed yet, but the pieces are falling into place. If the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Fan Edition is real, we can expect more leaks in the coming months.